This is Brady with Lindis Construction. I did an inspection for you guys. I always like to show you what I look at when I do my inspection. So if you look in certain areas here, you can see a lot of white fibers, and that granule is completely gone on a lot of these shingles. And so that's that UV protection, and that's also the storm protection. So when you see these white fibers, that's a telltale sign that air is not flowing throughout the attic space, and the shingle just does not last very long. See all those white fibers there? Now, the other thing I want to point out is nail pops. This also happens when the attic gets super hot and the nail starts popping through the shingle. And you can see on the screen, there's a couple areas where that is starting to happen. So overall, the roof is in bad condition as far as granule loss, and even, you know, a lot of this can be considered hail damage as well, but there's just so much wear and tear and granule loss that the insurance company can argue the fact that it's just wear and tear. One last thing I almost forgot to show you is the seal on the shingle is starting to go as well. So I can actually lift up these shingles. So that could be why in the high winds, wind-driven rain can get underneath here, and that gets through all the nail holes that are underneath. So in my opinion, again, recommend getting this replaced as soon as possible. Be happy to show you a few options.